Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the position objects in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, if you want to create any object in Salesforce, all you need to do is just to go to the object manager, and from there you can start the process of creating custom objects. So from here, we click on object manager, then we click on create and click custom objects. From there, you can start creating your custom objects and you can add all the fields. So let's just wait for the objects manager to load. So let's just reload. And from here, you can add the label, which would be in this case position. And then you can add its record name, the record name that you want to add for this object, and some the optional feature like allow reporting, activities, tracking the field history, etc. etc. And then you will need to save. Another way, if you want to install the recruiting package in your starter or in your uh, trailhead playground, you can just go to your playground starter. And if you want to search for the position one or the position uh, objects, you will need just to install the package. And the idea of this package is this one. So we go for this and install, and basically you will need to have this recruiting app package, and basically automatically you will start having the position object that will be available in your app. So as you can see, this is the position one and it is already installed, and those are all the details of it. We can go to edit and we can see all the details of this, like the label position and its field, the label in format or the label name, record name, etc., and all those features. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.